Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off your sleep timer on your TCL Android TV. So to do that, you can navigate towards the top right corner to the settings. So you can go to the settings and you can scroll down and then go to device preferences. From here on, you can scroll down and find your screensaver settings, which are right below Google Cast. So you can go to screensaver. And this is where you are going to find all of your sleep settings. So to turn on the sleep timer, you can simply go to put device to sleep. You can select how much time do you want your device to go to sleep for 4 hours, 6 hours, how much ever time. And this is the sleep timer. From here you can choose after how much time do you want your device to go to sleep for. So, and if you want to go your device right to sleep, you can simply click on start now to put your device to sleep right away. So these are all of the settings related to sleep timer, and I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.